Happy Cinco de Mayo! In celebration of Cinco de Mayo, oh wait, it's Taco Tuesday too. Cinco de Mayo, Taco Tuesday, and Takeout Tuesday. We have a feast. I ordered a meal kit, the family pack from Torchy's Tacos, and a margarita kit. Let's see what else we got.
Torchy's gives you everything you need to make your tacos, including rice and beans with the family pack. I've ordered Crossroad tacos and Trailer Park tacos that come with brisket and fried chicken. They even give you 3 types of sauces, tortillas, more tortillas, cheeses, pico de gallo, avocado, jalapenos, everything you could ever ask for.
I have to go wash my hands, but after that, let's put together some tacos. I'm back with clean hands. Now it's time to get your apron. The family kits come as a DIY serve yourself type of setup, but it also comes with rice and beans, and they even have a weekender kit that includes the margarita. Now it's time to try it. So good. It's time for the margarita kit. And there we have it. A margarita. We have margaritas and tacos. So be sure to pick up your meal kit from Torchy so that you can celebrate Cinco de Mayo the right way.
To check out more restaurants offering takeout, be sure to visit our website at visitalanTexas.com.
Cheers.